पे आया स्वर्ग उतर कर, ऐसा ये त्योहार दिवाली रोशनी वाली।
PTVH English Medium School Andheri welcomes all for the virtual celebration of Diwali. Deepavali or Diwali is the biggest festival of India. The word Deepavali means rows of lamps. It is a festival of lights and people celebrate it with joy all around the world. During this festival, people light up their houses and shops with diyas. Diyas are small cup-shaped oil lamps made of baked clay. Vasubaras marks the beginning of the celebration of Diwali festival. On this day, the cow and her calf are worshipped. The cow holds a very sacred place in Vedic mythology. Gaumata is worshipped and nurtured with utmost respect. Harprasad, Panchagavya or Panchamrut is an integral part of most of the celebrations. During this time, children have Diwali vacation and they help their parents in cleaning and decorating the houses and preparing Diwali Farar. They also make forts of clay. These forts are well decorated with clay models of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, his Mavlas and animals. Vasubaras is followed by Dhanatrayodashi. It is the worship of Lord Dhanvantari. He is considered as the god of health and Ayurveda. This day is also celebrated as puja or worship of Dhan, that is wealth. In the evening, when the clay lamps are lit, bhajans, devotional songs in praise of goddess Lakshmi are sung, and a typical Naivedya consisting of a mixture of dried coriander seeds, means dhane in Marathi, with jaggery is offered to goddess Lakshmi. Dhanatrayodashi is followed by Narak Chaturdashi or Choti Diwali. It is believed that on this day, Lord Krishna killed the demon Narkasura. On this day, people get up earlier than usual. Abhyanga Snan holds a special significance. It is done before sunrise. The Snan is done using uptan and perfumed oil. An elaborate breakfast consisting of Diwali sweets and snacks like ladu, karanji, chiuda, shankarpali, chirote, etc. is enjoyed with relatives and friends. Special sweet dishes are served as a part of the midday meal. Houses are lit with oil lamps during the evening. Colorful rangolis and lanterns, that is Akash Kandil, add glory to the festivities. Diwali is truly the festival of lights. It removes darkness from our lives and fills it with happiness. It's the time of family celebration with colorful lanterns, rangolis, Diwali Farar and firecrackers. The next day is Lakshmi Pujan. It is considered as the main festive day of Diwali. It is believed that goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and prosperity, visits her devotees and bestows her blessings upon them. To welcome the goddess, devotees clean their houses, decorate them with lights and lamps. The puja begins with Panchamrut Snan to an idol of goddess, followed by offering Haldi Kumkum and Akshata. a special lamp is lit in front of the goddess. An offering of sweets, coconut, fruits, puffed rice, and battase is made while performing Lakshmi Puja. Diwali Padwa or Bali Pratipada signifies the love and mutual devotion between husband and wife. The wives perform auction of their husbands while the husbands give thoughtful gifts to them. Bhau Beej, the last day of Diwali, is celebrated with great fervor and gaiety. It's a time of family reunions as all the brothers and sisters in the family get together. Sisters perform auction of their brothers and pray for the long and happy life of their brothers, and gifts are exchanged. May the festival of lights fill your life with the glow of happiness and the sparkle of joy. Happy Diwali to all. Thank you.
On the occasion of Diwali, paper lantern making and rangoli activities were conducted for our students in online classes. Let us have a look at their wonderful creations. Little Mavlas of Standard 4 are paying tribute to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
I am Pinat Patwardhan. I made this folk on the occasion of Diwali festival. It is a great pleasure to wish you all a happy Diwali and a prosperous new year. Thank you.
On the occasion of Diwali, I made this food.
Good
Good evening, teacher and my friend. This is my fort. Its name is Shivdil. I have made this fort for Diwali vacation. All my teacher and friend, Happy Diwali, Jai Bhavani, Jai Shivaji.
Hello, I am Maitreya Rajendra Korane. Happy Diwali to all my teachers and my dear friends. I have made this fort on the occasion of Diwali. Diwali is my favorite festival and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj is my favorite hero. Jai Bhavani, Jai Shivaji, Har Har Mahadev.
आता किल्ले तर तयार झाले आहेत, तर मग ऐकूया छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांचा जयघोष.
Because of the COVID pandemic and the necessary precautions to be taken, our 4th standard children have enthusiastically participated in making eco-friendly forts for Shivaji Maharaj and maintaining the tradition of making forts during the Diwali season.
आस्ते कदम महाराज गणपति गजाश्वपति भूपति प्रजापति सुवर्ण रत्न श्रीपति अष्टावधान जागृत अष्टप्रधान वेष्टित न्यायालंकार मंडित शस्त्रास्त्र शास्त्र पारंगत राजनीति धुरंधर प्रौढ़ प्रताप पुरंदर क्षत्रिय कुलावतौ सिंहासनाधीश्वर महाराजाधिराज राजा शिव छत्रपति महाराज की जय। नमो पार्वती पते हर हर।
Twinkling stars of PTVA's English Medium School Andheri are sharing their Diwali activities in a musical way.
This is the way we clean our house, clean our house, clean our house. This is the way we clean our house, clean our house to celebrate Diwali.
This is the way we light the lamps, light the lamps, light the lamps. This is the way we light the lamps to celebrate Diwali. This is the way we eat the sweets, eat the sweets, eat the sweets. This is the way we eat the sweets to celebrate Diwali. Very tasty. This is the way we give our gift, give our gift, give our gift. This is the way we give our gift to celebrate Diwali.
रात करे दूर अंधेरा, दीप जले ऐसे लगे जैसे सवेरा।
प्यार की सौगातें हो, तारों की बारातें हो,
दूरी की नबातें हो, बस मुलाकातें हो,
सबको यही देती संदेशा। दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे। दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे।
हाथों में लेकर पूजा की थाली, लक्ष्मी जी की आरती उतारे।
माथे अपने भाग हम सवारे।
हमसे धन की देवी रूठे ना कभी,
डोर सुख चैन की टूटे ना कभी।
सबको यही देती संदेशा, दीजिए दी भरे भरे मन खुशी से माते जी, चतुर्थी से आलो घोड़े दियाली आशे।
ए दिवाली चारे पासे बढ़ के खुशी छाई वे, रोशनी दे रंग लगे दिवाली आई वे।
आओ चलाएं मिलकर पटाखे, झूम झूम खुशियाँ मनाएं।
अच्छाई को अब रोशन करे हम, आग में बुराई को जलाए।
छोड़े अब नशे की आदतें सभी,
अब न हो जुए की चाहते कभी।
सबको यही देती संदेशा,
दीपावली गली गली के भी खुशी लावी रे, अजवाड़ा नी चादर ओढ़ी दीपावली आवी रे।
दीपावली अनेक रूपों संतोष से तंददे, होली सुनाई निरतिरी कौन दीपावली वंदने।
आज की ये रात करे दूर अंधेरा, दीप जले ऐसे लगे जैसे सवेरा।
प्यार की सौगातें हो, तारों की बारातें हो, दूरी की न बातें हो, बस मुलाकातें हो।
सबको यही देते संदेशा,
दीपावली first sweet and happiness and happiness, a proper light that guides the night. दीपावली is here today.
दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर।
હેપી દિવાળી એવરીવન, સાલ મુબારક તમને બધાને, જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ. તમને દિવાળીની ખૂબ ખૂબ શુભકામના.
Your teachers are wishing a very happy Diwali to you and your parents.